Have you ever noticed that McDonald's food tastes almost the same everywhere? Whether you are in the United States or another country, the taste feels familiar. But how is that even possible? One big reason is standardization. McDonald's follows strict rules for every recipe. Every ingredient is measured and controlled carefully. They use exact amounts of salt, sauces, and spices. Even a small change is not allowed. This keeps the taste consistent. Most ingredients are prepared in central factories. These factories supply the same products to all locations. This ensures uniform quality. Frozen storage also plays a role. Many items are frozen and shipped worldwide. This helps maintain the same taste. Cooking methods are also controlled. Every burger is cooked at a specific temperature and time. This creates the same texture everywhere. Employees are trained in the same way worldwide. They follow detailed instructions for every step. This reduces human error. Timing is extremely important. Each item has a fixed cooking and serving time. This keeps everything consistent. Even French fries follow a strict process. They are cut, frozen, and fried in a specific way. That's why they taste the same everywhere. Packaging also plays a role. It helps maintain temperature and freshness. This affects how the food tastes. McDonald's operates in many countries, but they try to keep core items the same. This creates a global identity. However, some items are adjusted locally. They match local tastes and preferences, but the main taste remains similar. Food scientists test recipes again and again. They make sure every bite feels the same. This process is very detailed. This creates trust among customers. People know what to expect every time. That's why they keep coming back. Your brain also remembers the taste. When you eat it again, it feels familiar. This creates comfort. This consistency is the key to their success. People love knowing what they will get. It reduces risk. However, not everything is perfect. Some people feel the taste is too processed. It depends on personal choice. But there is no doubt about one thing. McDonald's has mastered consistency. That's what makes it unique. This is why people trust the brand worldwide. They know the taste will not surprise them, and that builds loyalty. So next time you eat McDonald's, remember, it's not just food, it's a system designed for consistency. That's why it tastes the same everywhere.